Jumpa di session 4 kita betip namta ki result ba Pynmih hapo ko official website jong ka Mpsc Meghalaya Public Service Commission te kidon artali ki result ba Pynmih hapo website lada pempat page dan pempat check te kane ka way ka de jong ka stenographer te kane ka way ka de jong ka stenographer dengan puli kat kom kane ki notification sa page on the basis of the written examination held on the 22nd April 2023 written examination ki pulang April ada apply and stenographer speed at 80 words per minute held on 27 July 2023. Yaka speed test pada penlong arfnya July arjar apply for the post of stenographer grade 3 in the Secretariat Administration Department. June 2019. Yaka neka post kipen mi advertisement ho arjar khandai pendap arjar apply. The Mpsc kalong baik kumne sau sansnem hi simpor pendap which was conducted by the commission. The candidate declared to have passed in order of merit are as follow. Kita yang candidate kilang kini kibala successful Sidinos Marpana on reserve, Dimre Cheran Sangma Garo, Lalian Sangi Nongrum Khasjentia, Daritis Kemlon Khasjentia, One Job Lang Reman Black Khasjentia, Ferisha Walang Khasjentia. And for stenographers grade 3 in the Directorate Health Service MCH and FW kate hapo Secretariat Administration Department tekan daripada hapo ka MCH. Joy Seabed Sotun on reserve. Ini nyongwut ki candidate ki bala successful te. Congratulations ini candidate ki bala successful namta gini post stenographer. Desa ka way part kane pada ka result ka pada written exam result ba qualify namta ka interview ini ki qualify namta ka interview. The result of the screening test to the post of senior computer in the office of the Principal Regional Health Family Welfare Training Center on the Director of Health Service MCH and FW April 2018. Kanilai kham nandu arja khat phra kanilai held on 6 May 2023. Apply post arja khat phra to exam who arja apply 6 May arja apply. Is hereby declared the candidate bearing the following roll number are declared to have qualified for the personal interview. Tekini ki roll number ki belapani hingne ki la qualify namta ka personal interview. Roll number 5111 she's pakat way she's par saw she's palai khandai she's pan par she's pakhandai pho te kini ki candidate ki qualify namta kanika interview namta ka personal interview ki dan interview. The personal interview will be held on the 1st November kan mau bhai ka tarik 7 November arja apply posting in the office of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission. Candidate bearing the above roll number are to download the intimation letter from the commission website. Tekini ki bala qualify namta kanika interview second mau one check ya kata intimation letter napoka website napoka neka website ji sa check sa download so penlek ya kata interview kabalong shitrik nomba arja apply kita ngine hi kijing tip namta ki result ki bedai namba ka Mpsc ini flash pun